Hey everyone, this is Naveen from Traders Cafe Bangalore. We are one of the trading floors that operate in India. This is our website. We have a few branches spread across India, main branches in Bangalore. We have in Whitefield, Bangalore. We have an office in Hyderabad, one in Pune and Visakhapatnam and Erode. There are a couple of offices in Surat. Have a look, go to the website. If you want more information about what Traders Cafe is, you should be able to get it here. What we wanted to do today is to review a system that we are trying to develop that can help with objective trading methodology. When I say objective, it gives you a multiple confluence decision making ability about the direction so that you can position your trades accordingly. So the system comprises of a few things. What you're seeing on my screen is a two chart layout. One on the right hand side is the layout that helps where to initiate the trades, where to exit the trades. The left side of the screen helps you engage in managing the positions. What I mean by that is adding your quantity, pyramiding your quantity, and exiting based on a system derived zones or time points. We'll go through that one by one, but let's understand the system once. Um, you have two layouts, you also have two oscillators down below. The whole system comprises of approximately a confluence of 25 plus indicators, and that means the accuracy of the trading decisions is supposed to be higher. Of course, there will not be guarantees, but there will be optimal entries and optimal exits most of the time. So, before we go into further details, the system will have only three type of candles. One, bright reds, two, bright greens, and what we call as dim candles. These are the candles that do not have strength. The bright reds means there is strength towards downside. The bright greens means there is strength towards upside. The system also has a cloud which tells you an additional confirmation as to where the train may be heading and reversing. Right? So we gathered up today approximately 500 points. Initially, the system started to print these double tick marks, one tick mark in teal and one in purple. What system is really trying to tell us is the upside is over. Book your profits if you're in longs. We are also looking at this chart. The T symbol suggests a reversal, but there are no trades yet because we are looking the color of the candles to turn to red. Um, there are a few symbols that you'll see on the screen. I'll go through them one by one. These will all be changed in a due course of time. This is something we are building, but this is kind of a draft version that we are wanting to share with you today. One is a sell signal, plus is to add to your position. Again, you see a little one with a thick coloring. It's called a strong sell signal. This means If you have initiated a position with 10% quantity, added 10 more here, you can go full on your maximum size. There will be signals sometimes like this printed, but you are not gonna take these positions on a contradicting color, meaning if you have a red signal print, red candle printed, you're gonna ignore greens. So with that context, the first position will be somewhere here. You're gonna take this position, you can add it, add here, and you continue to see adds, adds, plus. A strong plus means you can continue to increase your quantity. And here, approximately 10.5 is when you are also seeing the tick marks, as in book your profits. Let's see what we see in 10.5 in the other chart that we are monitoring continuously. Like you have seen the reversal signal at the top when you have the first sell signal. You have also seen a reversal signal on the down exactly at around 10:15 time. This is 10:06. This is an early indication of a possible reversal, and the market consolidates here. This is again a reversal signal. That's a diamond. Um, the strong reds start to disappear. The dim reds form. You see hollow candles. These are all dims. Typically, these are the areas of consolidation. Um, and you see first signs of strong greens, and then boom. This is we call it as V, meaning you can go initiate your long positions. We stopped our shorts here. We initiated longs 10:29. We have an addition, an addition, an addition, a strong addition, and you see the red entry. This is where we start to cut our positions. So this is the pure layout of the chart, but you also have additional confluences here. When you see the V, the reversal, you also have another signal in the indicator below, and you have one, two, three, four, five indicators. Each row represents one indicator. A simple example could be parabolic SRR, SAR, um, a EMA 912 cross, half trend, super trend. All of these are configurable in this. We have optimized to configure this, and when everything is green, one, two, three, four, five, you have a higher probability of winning on the long side. We don't do buying in our trading floor, but we go put shots here. Or you can go semi-directional, do a straddle of 100 points above. The last thing you can do is, if you're at least in call shots, exit. Um, so that's how the whole system works. This is another oscillator that supports this, and you have an early signal of bull here. You have one, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9 indicators giving you a confirmation that there is a possible upside from this zone, and that is how you have a higher probability of trades. Let's look at one more examples towards the end, somewhere around 1207. 1207, you have the first green printed, you have an early reversal here, you have a buy, addition, addition, addition. The oscillator is telling go bongers on the upside. Here the oscillators, everything turned green. You have an exact top identified by the system. The system said to book partial profits here. book partial profits here, and then once this T is at top formed, the system said to exit and wait. And you're also seeing this, and the oscillators are again turning back to red, and you see 200 point down move. So today we wanted to just show a kind of preview. That's all for today, but stay tuned for more updates. We are in the process of even simplifying this, changing this to give you a easier way to enter, exit, manage your trades to the direction where the market is trending towards. One thing before I wrap up is, why don't you have green and red candles? The system, if you see a traditional trading view chart, we don't show colors like a typical candlestick. Let's say here in this 10 candles, you might have some greens and reds here, but based on the strength where where the index is going, we only show one color, either it's red or it's green or dim candles. Um, so when you catch a trend, you're not worried about exiting your positions based on a small red. Um, the goal is to have some objectivity and allow you to be in the trend for a long time, and enter when there is a multiple confluence that suggests the trend is exhausted. So that's all for today, guys. Hopefully you are excited about this system as we are. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We will also be trying to put some content about this system in Hindi, so that our audience from Hindi will be benefited from this, and some local languages. Again, do check out our website. This is also something we are trying to develop. We are trying to put some social media content. If there is something you want to hear more about, do let us know. Thank you.